Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Taranda with the Citizenship Academy. We're on Domain 8, Native American, Lesson 8, Severing Ties. Our objectives for today are to explain the relationships between Native Americans, European settlers, and the U.S. government, and we're going to draft the first body paragraph of our persuasive essay. Some key vocabulary. Lean is having few resources such as food, fuel, and money. Immigrant is someone who leaves his or her own country to live in another country. Prosperous, become rich, successful, to flourish. Tract is an area or strip of land. Revenge is the act of doing something to hurt someone because they did something to hurt you. Encroach is to gradually take something away from someone else. Ward is someone who is under the care and control of the government. And resistance is a refusal to accept something being against something. Okay, we're going to go ahead and independently read the text for today. Our word work for today is encroach. Settlers continue to encroach on Native American land anyway. Encroach means to gradually take something away from someone else, and this is a verb. So in the previous lesson, we started to write our introduction. So the body paragraphs are meant to give reason and evidence for our argument that we already wrote in our introduction. So each body paragraph supports the main argument. So the second paragraph is describing the image in detail. What is happening in the picture you chose? The third one is the first piece of evidence, so the landscape of, so what does that area look like around, and how is that a place to live? The fourth paragraph is going to be, kind of like, so this, well, it's the second piece of evidence, but it could be like where they live and what kind of resources they have. And the fifth paragraph is some more evidence, and this could be things that are important to them. For mine, it was the importance of the buffalo. So you're going to use the following chart to plan your second paragraph. Not all the questions will apply to your image, of course, so you're going to answer the questions that help you describe what you see in your image. So objects are, what is in the image? What shapes are there? What colors do you see? How were things used? Are there any people in your picture? How old do they look? What are they wearing? What are they doing? Are there any animals? How do they look? What are they doing? And what can you infer about this image? What do you think could be happening in this image? Now, again, not everything in this is going to be written or answered, because sometimes there's no people in the picture, sometimes there's no animals, so on and so forth. Just answer the ones that you can answer. So now you're going to draft your first body paragraph. Remember, your first body paragraph should be the description of your picture. And that's the end of our lesson for today. We'll see everyone next time.